Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is me, your girl, Formosa Fantasy, and today I'll be bringing you this look. So, if you want to see how I achieve this, keep on watching.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up.
So you already know once the brows is done, we're going to jump straight into it. So I'm taking my concealer in pure beige and I'm just basing my eyelids with this, buffing it out, and I'm setting it with a translucent powder. It doesn't have to be tacky base. I'm just doing it how I feel like. Going in my Jaclyn Hill palette volume 1, and I'll be taking that shade right there with a fluffy brush, and I'm putting that in my crease area, and I'm also going to be blowing it out, blending it upwards. All right, I'm also taking this color right up to the front part of my brows. Now taking another shade. It's a slightly darker, but I'm taking a more dense brush to apply this in my crease. Now this is a brow product, so I'm just taking those two colors right there, and I'm just putting this in my crease because I wanted more depth. It was the first thing I caught, so I used it. Now taking the eyeshadow that is Bone Lake color, and I'm putting that on my brow bone to set it because I want like a different color. So going in my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm taking that gold right there. I use my fingers. I wanted to see how it would look on without me cutting my crease, and yeah. Now taking this palette that I bought from the beauty supply store, and I'm taking that foil gold color and I'm putting that right on my lids, just the same with my fingers, and kind of blowing it out with my fingers. Listen, I like this. Going in with another Juvia's Place, and I like this gold right here, and this is what I love to tie it in, and it was coming along how I liked it. All right, so I use those three golds to create this look. All right, now I'm gonna be taking whatever that's left on the brush, and I'm just making sure the edge isn't that harsh. Going in with a black liquid liner, any black liquid liner that you have really do, and I'm just creating a wing with this, a regular wing. um it's not that hard to do, so I just draw a line on my lash line, and then I just take from my corner of my eye and go up towards my tail, up the tail of my brow. All right, that is it, and just fill it in. It's as easy as that. Okay, no hard. It's not hard. So I'm just making sure the line is as thick as how I want it. So now I'm just creating another line right from the tail of my wing and coming inwards to it, and I'm gonna be using whatever shadow, a darker shadow, to like really kind of blow it out. I don't really know how to explain it, but yeah, the line is gonna be still there, but it's gonna be a little bit blown out. All right, and now it is time for the fun part, what I like. All right, so I'm just cleaning up the edges of my wing. I want it to be crispy sharp, like hella sharp. So I'm just using my foundation to do this. No, I'm not using concealer. I don't know, I like using my foundation because I like when um it's the color of my skin, and so that my highlight is not too far off. I don't know, yeah, but it's just my thing. All right, so I just buff it out, blend it out, making sure that it's not too harsh. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna be going in with some rhinestones. Yes, some rhinestones, because your girl loves to apply rhinestones. So I'm just putting some glue, some lash glue down. I'm just seeing where I want it to be placed. Listen, I can change it up. You can change it up. You can use 4 gems. You can use 2 gems. It doesn't really matter. I just felt like, doing it. So I was just playing around right here to see where I want my gem placement to be. And then I'm going to be start to apply gold gems. All right. So that's all I'm doing here. Just applying gold gems of different sizes. Okay. Okay. So now it's time for the lips. I started to do my lips to line it with the brown, and then go in the middle with like oh my god, like a beigeish, nudish. I don't know. It's a color that I really like. I've never used it, but I didn't really like how it came out, so I went back to my nude. But I did it like an ombre effect when I make the inner corners of my lips dark and go into the center light. You'll see in the end. I did not film it, but yeah, I changed my lips in the end. All right. So yeah, my face I did off camera. If you want to see a detailed tutorial on that, I have one. My video before that is very detailed. There's the lipstick that I told you that I was liking, but I didn't like it for this look. All right. My lashes are from, I think, Shop Miss A. Yes, these lashes are from Shop Miss A. Okay, and I went on top of it with a gloss, but yeah, didn't like it, so I changed it. And yeah, that is the finished look, guys. I hope y'all liked it. I liked it. It was good. Everything tied in together. The hair, the outfit, everything. Alright, so don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. And until next time, mwah, bye my beauties.